Good morning, students. Today start the fourth video of chapter 6 Lines and Angles. Fourth video of chapter 6 Lines and Angles. Question number 19. In the figure, PQ parallel BC and angle PAB is equal to 70 degree. Angle ACS is equal to 100 degree. Determine angle ABC, BAC and CAQ. PQ parallel to BC. PQ parallel to BC. Angle ACB and PAB are alternate angles, so angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Now this two angle is 100 degree some degree. Now interior angle is equal to 80. Angle ACB plus ACS equal to 180 degree. Now ACB plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Now angle ACB equal to 180 minus 100. Angle ACB is equal to 80 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 80 degree. Now PQ parallel BC. PQ parallel BC. Angle CAQ is equal to ACB alternate angle. Angle CAQ is equal to 180 degree. Now sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. BAC plus 70 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. Angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 80 minus 70. 100 minus 70 is equal to 30 degree. Value of angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. That is the answer. Question 12. In the figure, BD parallel CE. In the figure BD parallel CE, find X, Y, Z. Find X, Y, Z. Let this angle is C and this angle is equal to A. Now C plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. C plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Now value of C is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 120 degree because corresponding angles. Again repeated here. A 120, A plus Y 180, 120 plus Y 180. Now Y is equal to 60 degree. C plus 120, 180, C is equal to 180 minus 20 is equal to 60 degree. Value of C is equal to 60 degree. Z is equal to 70 alternate angle. B is equal to 70 vertically opposite angle. X plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. X plus 70 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 60 is equal to 130. X equal to 180 minus 130. X is equal to 50 degree. X is equal to 50 degree. Answer. Next question. In the given figure, find the value of X and Y if AB parallel CD. Find the value of X and Y if AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD, angle AQR is equal to CRM. Corresponding angle 20 plus Y is equal to 58. Now Y is equal to 58 minus 20 is equal to 38 degree. Angle AQR plus QRC. Angle AQR plus angle QRC is equal to 180 degree. 20 plus Y plus angle QRP plus angle PRC is equal to 180 degree. 20 plus 38 plus angle QRP plus 22 is equal to 180 degree. Now angle QRP is equal to 180 minus 80. Angle QRP is equal to 100 degree. Angle QRP is equal to 100 degree. X plus angle QRP plus Y is equal to 180 degree. X plus 100 plus 38 is equal to 180 degree. X plus 138 is equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 minus 138, X is equal to 42 degree. Answer. Value of X equal to 42 degree. Now triangle. Definition of triangle: a closed figure bounded by three sides is known as triangle. A closed figure bounded by three sides is known as triangle. Triangle has 6 parts and 3 sides and 3 angles. And sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Prove that the sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degree. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 degree. Look at here, angle 4 is equal to angle 2. These are alternate angle. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 alternate angle. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3 is equal to alternate angle. Now write here the angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles in a straight line. Put angle 4 is equal to angle 2 and angle 5 is angle 3 because these are alternate angle. So sum of 3 angles at triangle is 180 degree. Now look at the book. Construction: draw a line parallel to BC. Angle 2 angle 4 alternate angle. Angle 3 angle 5 alternate angle. Angle 2 plus 3 angle 4 plus 5. By adding both sides 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 plus 1 plus 5. Now 4 plus 1 plus 5 is 180 degree because sum of angles in a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, or angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, means sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now exterior angle property. If any triangle, any one of its side is produced, the prove that the exterior formed producing the triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Sum of two opposite interior angle, that is your angle 3. Angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite two interior angle. Look at here, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 180 degree. Now apply by the equation 1 and 2. Apply by the equation 1 and 2. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 4. Now angle 4 is cancelled out here. Remaining angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of their opposite two interior angle. Okay children, this video is over.